Thank you very much for your purchase, customer. Our staff will now carefully package your product. Please take a look at this process.
The Mazda FAMILIA BHA5P is the 8th generation sedan introduced in 1994. It is characterized by its European-inspired design and nimble handling provided by a refined chassis. Balancing driving quality with improved safety features, it remains a testament to Mazda's focus on performance and practicality. Exported worldwide as the 323 or Protégé, the BHA5P earned a reputation for reliability across Europe, North America, and Asia. Even after production ended, many used units were shipped to Southeast Asia and Africa, where they remain in service today. Recently, it has seen a resurgence in interest among global enthusiasts as a classic 1990s JDM icon. The DAIHATSU Tanto L360S is the FWD variant of the first-generation model. It revolutionized the K-car segment with its unprecedented tall roof and massive interior space. As a pioneer of the super height wagon category, it became a massive hit for its family-oriented utility. As these models are now considered vintage classics, they've nearly disappeared from the streets of Japan. Looking for specific parts or interested in sourcing high-quality JDM used components? Let us know in the comments. We might be able to help you find exactly what you need.